Hello, today we're on the hills just above Budva to introduce you to a beautiful and cozy family home.
The villa was finished in August 2023. It has 3 levels, a bright living room, dining area, modern kitchen and 4 bedrooms, each with its own bathroom. From every room you get amazing sea views, all the way from Sveti Stefan to the Old Town. Step outside to a beautifully designed private pool, fully equipped with a heating system and an outdoor shower. This is ideal for sun-soaked relaxation or entertaining guests. This villa is fully finished and ready to move in. The place has everything you need.
Montenegro had record-breaking tourism last year. Places like this, sea view villas, are fully booked every summer.
Owners are getting 6 to 12% annual returns, and that's without doing it full-time.
You don't have to move here to buy. You don't even have to get residency to do it. But if you do want it, owning property makes the process easier.
And taxes? No inheritance tax, no pension tax, no new development tax. So pretty clean.
I'm standing above Budva right now. This area has sea views, modern builds and a lot of space. Yet prices here are still about half of Dubrovnik and way less than the Amalfi Coast. But this gap won't last forever.
If you've been thinking about a lifestyle move or you want a smart second property, let's talk. We're happy to show you what's out there or just help you run the numbers.